uh, every country have their different aspects for their jobs. It depends on the status of the country. It means country is developed or developing, so they provide jobs as per their status. But here I would like to talk about one of my favorite and dream country, where I would like to go and do work for a short span, and it is Canada. Uh, Canada is a Canada is a less popularity country as per their size, so they provide so it provides many job opportunities. And as I am a student of computer engineering, many big or small corporation are present over there. So I would like to go over there and get job at IT sector, or any sector which related to computer engineering. Canada has a cold weather, and I am also I also like to live in cold weather, and I do not like summers the most. So that is the reason why I want to go over there and do my job. And after my completion of a bachelor degree in after completion of my bachelor degree, I would definitely go over there and purchase my and pursued my the dream in IT sector, or in IT sector in Canada. So this is the country where I would like to go and work for a short time.
Okay, good. This is 2 minutes 9 seconds.
Yes,
So it was good. और conclude भी आपने ठीक कर लिया. Okay. So here when you said every country has.
has, yes.
Yes, because it's every country. Then one of my favorite countries. आपने फिर country बोला. Okay.
Yes.
And this intense less popularity country नहीं less popular country. Or
Minimum
hmm, or you can
of
say less in popularity.
less in popularity.
Yes. इन आएगा तो पॉपुलैरिटी आ जाएगा अदरवाइज लेस पॉपुलर कंट्री अब इसमें आपने यस
हम्म, मतलब उसको, मतलब ये सेंटेंस को ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, उसकी साइज के हिसाब से उसमें मतलब पब्लिक कम है।
यस इट हैज वेरी लेस पॉपुलेशन
लेस
एज
पॉपुलेशन
कंपेयर्ड टू इट्स साइज
as compared to size.
यस many big and small corporations not corporation you said corporation many big or small corporations are there or are present over there ओके अभी आप ये बताओ कि लेस पॉपुलैरिटी कंट्री मतलब आप क्या कहना चाह रहे थे इसमें
मतलब कि वो जितनी साइज है कंट्री की, उसके हिसाब से उसमें जो पब्लिक है वो कम है,
यस
इसलिए हमें जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी ज्यादा है।
ओके ओके फाइन एंड देन परस्यू प्रोनाउंसिएशन
परस्यू,
परसू
परसू।
यस परसू और अभी जब आपने इसको बोला कि व्हाई यू वांट टू वर्क ओवर देयर यू सेड दैट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी कोल्ड कंट्री द वेदर इज कोल्ड थ्रू आउट द ईयर ऑलमोस्ट थ्रू आउट द ईयर एंड आई लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ वेदर तो आपने ये तो बोला बट इसके अलावा आप जॉब के बारे में भी बोल सकते हो यू शुड हैव टॉक्ड
वो
अबाउट द
बोलना था,
जॉब
लेकिन टाइम की वजह से पूरा
या see what kind of job would it be I would like to work as a civil engineer
मुझे
what did you say
कंप्यूटर
com-
इंजीनियरिंग मतलब उसके बारे में एक्सप्लेन करना था।
yes I would like to work as a computer engineer फिर उसके बारे में बोलो थोड़ा जॉब के बारे में and why you want to work over there so थोड़ा सा जॉब से रिलेटेड बोलना
To
चाहिए था
provide interesting salaries and for
yes
their in this sector, and
yes lucrative salaries
creative salaries, and it is easy to find a job as a computer operator in Canada.
Yes, and what is something special that you will learn in Canada while working as a computer engineer?
I can develop my skills and knowledge about my course, because because over there this industry, this computer industry is developed at very extent, developed, वो मैम extent वाला क्या था वो word,
Great extent has developed to a great extent.
has developed to a great extent. So
Yes.
it is also beneficial for me to developed myself in my field.
Yes, yes. So like that you have to say, ठीक है, why you want to work over there. तो उस जॉब में भी ऐसा क्या है स्पेशल that you want to go and work in that kind of profile over there.
यस मैम,
And
ये टाइम की वजह से ना मैम वो पॉइंट तो होते ही है दिमाग में,
हम्म
लेकिन हड़बड़ाहट में कुछ सब इधर
या,
उधर हो जाता है.
कोई बात नहीं, अभी आप इसको प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो दोबारा. ओके.